Alright. Hey! Oh shit.
Hey, what's that, the email, Jimmy sent me an email about the damn lightsaber video or something? What are y'all doing now?
Well, we decided to, put it off a little bit.
I can't understand what you're saying.
We're waiting on that.
Jimmy didn't show up.
Where's he at? He was supposed to be here. He went in a minute earlier.
That's a good question.
Jimmy's just not, no,
He didn't come in.
Don't. That's not a good place.
Why?
The fridge.
It's a fridge.
I mean, what? I mean,
Where's
you want the drink, right?
Where's
What-
Alien recovery, take that instead.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. Is this a joke?
Chex Mix?
No. What is this?
Were you napping, Jimmy?
Dude, it's cold. What is this? How long has he been in the damn fridge?
I don't know.
We shot the lightsaber video.
He shot me.
He shot you?
Shot at me.
Really shot himself.
I told him
I could deflect bullets
Why?
because I can.
So he shot you, and now we have a VP that's in a fridge.
Cryogenic freezing.
This isn't Disney, man.
So you're telling me he's not frozen?
No, he's dead.
What? Dude, I have workers' comp, but this is not. This is a problem.
I don't know what to tell
You're supposed to be growing esports, man.
you. We are.
What? I mean, you know, any way
Okay,
to
you know.
bring him back?
I have an idea.
This is gonna be fantastic.
I bet you money.
That if you pour some of that on his face, it'll work.
Alien recovery.
Or your recovery on his face.
It's not. It's
Y'all-
not magical.
You know what? You didn't think that I'd kill him either. Or
Yeah, well-
maim slightly. He's asleep.
Yeah. Well, the lightsaber was a different thing. This is just a
no,
powder.
honestly, it is possible.
The force is with you. Try it.
It is possible.
You won't.
All right.
I don't know.
You won't. Just a little bit on the lips will be good. Maybe sprinkle a little in the beard for good measure.
It's good. That was good. God, this is weird, dude.
Well, it's a lot weirder for me than it is for him, I think.
All right, hold on. Okay.
Okay. Oh, okay. Is that doing it? No,
Yeah.
hey,
Chant something.
Starting to work.
chance up.
He's moving.
You're kidding me, right?
Dude. I may not have enough powder in it.
Not really.
All right. Well, if that works, then you just need.
Jimmy, look at me. Look at me.
What do you just need stimulants. There's a psychotic right behind you.
That's a terrible idea.
Dude,
Try the psychotic.
Don't try that.
Hold on, chill.
Don't give him that.
That's a bad idea.
Shaking and shit.
That's a bad idea.
I don't care. I'm shaking, dude.
Don't.
Come on.
No.
Come on.
No.
Come on. Come on. Come on. There he goes. There he goes. There he goes.
Jimmy!
What's up?
You're back! You're back!
Yeah, I'm out.
What are you doing? Calm down. Calm down.
Jimmy!
All right.
You're back! You're back! I am out! Nick, go. Nick, run! Nick, go. Go. Oh. He's gone. Go back. Catch him. Hurry.